Hey guys, this is Drake with Drake's Homestead, coming at you with another video. It's Sunday, and I thought, what a good time to show you all the birds I have. Now, this is not a update on any of them. This is just a showing you from my little chicks to my older chicks to my turkeys to some other things. So just sit back, grab a water, and enjoy. Oh, that was cheesy. Okay. Here's the chicks. I have about 30 chicks, Baird Rocks and Rhode Island Reds. They're getting big. They won't be in this deal much longer. If you've been watching my videos like you should, they're free. Check them out. This is where the turkeys were. And I moved the turkeys outside. You're going to go see them. So the basement is free. It's time for ping pong mania. We cannot wait. The old lady and I've been super busy with some spring cleaning, and it's fishing season. Okay, and with all these birds, you'll see the total birds I have. It's a lot of costs on feed, so I've been trying to do some extra stuff after work to make some money. So that's why, if you've noticed, my videos have slowed down ever so slightly. But stay subscribed, stay loyal, and get ready for good content to keep coming throughout. I still find time for you guys, even though I'm busy. Okay, here's the chicks. They're doing good. Good shot of them. I got one light on 30 birds. That's plenty. As you can see, they have about all their feathers. Very good looking. I believe I got a Baird Rock rooster in there. See him? Little rooster piece. If he wasn't under the light, you can see how light he is. He's got his little crown. I was excited. We'll see how he fits in. Okay, let's go see some other birds. So this bird here is a new breed of bird. Whoa, okay, never mind. I thought it was Silky on steroids. No, it's just the Goofmeister. Just the Goofster. He's doing good. We were fishing today and he caught a hook. We had to get it cut out with a vet. So he's injury prone. If you guys have been watching my videos, you've seen the other deal. So what do we got here? Got an old Rhode Island Red there. There's one of my old birds. Another Rhode Island Red. There's the rooster. A couple chickens. Got my only white leghorn. Another Rhode Island Red. Oh, I know you guys love seeing Silky. There's the Silksters out and about getting a drink of water. Okay, making the pass through. I know you guys like seeing the Silkster. The Silkmeister. Looks like an egg broke on her head or something. Got a black Australorp. Eating. That's the rooster's hen. That's the other hen of the rooster. There's that black Australorp if you didn't get a good look. Always got to show you the rooster. Stud king, and I'm not talking much about him because this is just a really quick showing you what is all the birds I have. Old Goldie sex link. Let's keep moving. Keep moving we go. There's one of my Easter eggers. On the run. There's a little rooster over there. You can see his tail kinda. A couple of the other hens that I got. There's a little rooster. I don't think he's gonna give us a good shot, but he's still around. Now we're in here to the big bad turkeys. They are starting to look like some real turkeys. They're getting huge, and you can see the red on their face. They're not too shy once I'm in here. They're getting all their feathers. Getting their chest feathers. I definitely got some toms, some big boys in there along with some hens. Got that feeder. Now I'm using the hanging feeder so that mice can't get into it. I love that. I think that big boy is a tom. It's a big old tom there. That's a big tom here. Big tom in the middle. That's a tom too, probably. I think I got more toms than hens, actually. That's a hen, that little one there. But yeah, it's going good. If you can see here, there's some dried blood. I seen a few feather pecking. You can see that one's tail's not looking that good. There's some pecking going on the butt feathers of one, probably her. And I went and got some no more goop, some cream, and put it on them. But the turkeys adjusted really well to being in here, and they are some happy turkeys. Let's see, they're pecking each other in the butt a little bit. I see a few, just a little blood spot. I don't like that. I think they're pecking them when they're sitting up here and then one's down. Oh, them turkeys are ugly. But yeah, they're getting big. Using that water so I don't gotta water them all the time. But other than a little bit of pecking going on, they're doing perfect. That's hard to stop that. I always keep their feet full. But yeah, here's a look of all my birds. We might have missed a chicken or so who's running around, but you get the gist of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and make sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, everybody.